Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Jake's Makes, and today I have a little Arduino and 3D printing project to share with you. And so my Arduino components are the Mega 2560, a breadboard, a bunch of wires, a power supply, a 9-volt power supply, was this motor controller, a servo motor, and an IR sensor plus a remote. So what I wanted to do was have a remote controlled servo motor. So I combined what I had learned from the YouTube channel Brainy Bits, and then combined it with a design I'd seen on Thingiverse. So essentially I'll just jump right into it and show you the action. So when you hit the volume up, the gear rotates 1048 micro steps forward and then right into the back. So this is just kind of a fun little example of how 3D printing can be integrated with Arduino projects to make stuff actually come to life that's affordable and easy to use. So in my next video I'm going to go over the code and how I programmed it, and a little bit of the Fusion 360 modeling. So thanks for watching.